What is your good name?
My name is Karthik.
Age?
35.
Okay. You are from which place?
Bangalore.
So, tell me, you had HBA1C 14,
Yes.
and after 3 months treatment, it has come down to how much?
9.
9.
2 months.
2 months.
Yeah.
You explain me from beginning to till now.
Okay. So before I had so many problems in my body.
What are all the
which is
problems?
related to diabetic.
What are all the
There is
problems?
numbness in the foot
Mm.
and tiredness.
Mm.
A little bit of blind in the eyes.
That is called diabetic retinopathy.
Retinopathy.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I came across the video in YouTube and Facebook
Mm.
regarding miracle rings.
Mm.
So I just thought of reaching you where I'll get a solution.
Mm.
So main thing is whatever you people have guided me,
Mm.
I'll follow the instruction.
Mm.
That is the reason my results are like this.
First month, how much it has been reduced?
It came to 12,
From
from 14 to 12.
14 to 12. So second month?
Second month it came to 12 to 9.
Wonderful. That means just for 2 months. So holistically, more than 4 units of HbA1c has reduced.
Correct. Correct.
Excellent. What are all the body parameters you have got, improvement?
Yeah, the first thing I wanted to say, I'm so grateful for this medicine that you have found. The first week when I took, I got nice sleep within 3 days.
Wonderful. Because one gentleman from Kolar, advocate, he told me that the same day I got the sleep after taking miracle rings
But even
too.
I was able to feel that. But I want the complete result that I am able to sleep.
Mm.
Since we work in night shift,
Mm. You are what job you are doing?
I'm into BPO.
Wonderful.
So we log out at 1:30.
Mm.
We will not be able to sleep. I was in a dilemma that it is because of the night shift.
Mm.
No, it was happening because of diabetic.
Mm.
After 3 days, without my knowledge, I'm falling asleep.
Great.
And it was my first experience, and it was my good experience.
Mm.
Slowly, my numbness in my foot has getting reduced.
Mm.
These are the two
So
things
at after how many days that foot numbness has got reduced? 15 days or
more than 2 weeks.
more than 2 weeks?
But it is still there, but it has reduced.
Okay. Thereafter.
I was feeling like shock and all in between the foot, but it is not there right now.
Mm.
These are the two things I found immediately after taking your medicines.
Okay. So holistically, how do you feel?
I feel good.
So you are taking any allopathic medications along with miracle rings?
No, I don't believe in allopathic actually.
You have not at all taken any
No,
medications?
I'm not at all taken. Even though my parents forced me to take those things after seeing these results,
Mm.
they made me to buy more than 2,000 rupees of medicine
Mm.
as per doctor instruction.
Mm.
What I did was I just kept it in my home. I didn't even take one single tablet because I was not completely satisfied.
Mm.
Since my parents want to get satisfied,
Mm.
I just purchased those medicine. And it is still lying over there. I think it would have been expired right now.
Wonderful.
I'm about to throw that out.
So when actually this diabetes diagnosed?
Actually, sir, I diagnosed in 2016.
So thereafter you have
Yeah.
just managed
Yeah,
on
I
food
managed
only?
myself, and I took ragi and some. I did walking.
Some millets and all?
Yeah,
Mm.
and pranayama, yoga. I did that everything. Then I reversed it.
Mm.
But without my knowledge, again it came because of my stress and shift timings.
Mm.
And I did not notice that it was happening because of that.
But now I would like to ask you another question.
Yes, sir.
Whatever the diet I have defined for diabetes, what percentage of the holistically the diet you are following?
Sir, I can say 75%.
Super. In spite of that, it has given such a great results.
Correct.
Okay.
Because to be frank, in this generation or this situation, I'm not able to give that 100%. One or the other time or one or the other way, I'll miss the diet.
In the sense, how you are missing the diet?
In the sense, some work will be there in the morning. I'll be not able to have breakfast.
Okay.
So whatever prescribed breakfast that I'm supposed
There
to
is a raw vegetable juice and other
vegetables
things.
and sprouts.
Okay.
So in such cases, I'll be not able to take that, but I'll be having breakfast outside instead of that, because I don't want to skip my breakfast at the same time. Once after coming, I'll take this medicine. I'll make sure I'll not skip this medicine at any point of time.
Great. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Kriti.